Are you struggling to discomfort and pain after the laser hair removal procedure? Need the best numbing cream to make the procedure tolerable and less painful? Then you're in the right place. These topical numbing creams contain lidocaine that numbs the pain by preventing your nerves from receiving pain signals. In this video, I will tell you top 5 best numbing cream for laser hair removal that got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Dr. Numb Maximum Strength Pain Reliever. Looking for a topical anesthetic that is fast-acting and long-lasting? Dr. Numb Topical Anesthetic is 100% hypoallergenic and a great solution. Dr. Numb Maximum Strength Pain Reliever is an over-the-counter topical anesthetic cream. It contains 5% lidocaine, which induces numbness on the skin and its surrounding tissues. It can reduce the pain associated with skin procedures like laser hair removal. It starts to work in about 15 minutes and will continue working for somewhere between 2 to 4 hours. Formulated with maximum potency in mind, this cream is perfect for those who need relief from pain or discomfort. It is completely reversible and has no residual effect on the nerve fibers. You can reapply it to prolong the numbness. It does not irritate the tissue and nerves. The formula contains vitamin E for quicker skin recovery. Number 4. Numbskin Numbing Cream. The non-oily Numbskin Maximum Strength Pain Reliever Cream can protect the skin during laser hair removal. This fast-acting cream will numb the area to be treated in 15 to 30 minutes, so you can enjoy a comfortable pain-free session. This pain reliever will prepare you for the perfect fuss-free, soft and smooth body. It produces temporary numbness that can last up to 4 hours. Made with natural ingredients, Numbskin is free, safe and gentle on your skin. It's the perfect way to achieve your dream, smooth, soft body. This cream is cruelty-free. No animals were used for testing. It will numb the skin as far as the feeling the stick of it, but first you will have to wash the part thoroughly of apply cream and let it sit for. This multi-purpose pain reliever is formulated with 4% lidocaine that targets pain-causing receptors. The analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties of this cream target the problem areas to alleviate pain and discomfort during laser hair removal. Number 3. Numb 5% Lidocaine Topical Numbing Cream. Give the doctor-formulated Numb Topical Anesthetic Cream a try for super strong pain relief from laser hair removal. This numbing gel cream temporarily relieves pain, itching, soreness, burning, reduces swelling, and protects irritated skin. Its water-based formula gets absorbed quickly, shows in action in 20 to 25 minutes of application, and numbs sensation up to 1 hour. The formula's maximum permitted 5% lidocaine dose blocks nerve ending to transfer pain signals to the brain. It gets absorbed into your skin as soon as you apply it. It is developed with strong ingredients used as an anesthetic lubricant for temporary pain relief. Additionally, it combines propylene glycol to enhance skin penetration. It is also infused with vitamin E that moisturizes the skin and reduces inflammation. This rich blend moisturizes and soothes your skin, creating a refreshing feel. The non-oily formula gets absorbed into the skin quickly and leaves no residue behind. Number 2. Ebanel Numb 520 Topical Anesthetic Cream. If you are looking for a quick-acting tropical anesthetic cream, Ebanel Numb 520 Topical Anesthetic Cream is the best option. This unique formula is enhanced with liposomal technology for deeper penetration and maximum efficiency. It starts working in 5 minutes of application, peaks up to 20 minutes, and can temporarily numb your skin for approximately 1 hour to the pain caused by skin and hair cosmetic procedures. The cream is infused with aloe vera and vitamin E to soothe and protect the skin from irritation. It is also odor-free, oil-free, and non-greasy. Best of all, it is water-based for easy application and no less removal. This pain relief cream is made of lidocaine HCl 5%, preventing transmission of pain signals to the brain. I had several needles injected into my skin and I didn't feel it or barely felt it at all. It's not too where it hurts. Just put a good amount of numbing cream on and let it numb up. Number 1. Clinical Resolution Laboratory Numb Master Topical Anesthetic Cream. When you need easy-to-use numbing products, apply this Clinical Resolution Laboratory Numb Master Topical Anesthetic Cream. Numb Master is a safe and effective way to numb your skin before laser hair removal procedures. The water-based formula makes applying it easy. It offers rapid pain relief with 5% Lidocaine and is designed for microdermabrasion, tattoo removal, and laser hair removal. This doctor-recommended product is great for all skin types. This topical anesthetic cream is infused with botanical ingredients like vitamin E and aloe vera that soothes and protects the skin from irritation. Also, it uses liposomal encapsulation technology, which improves product absorption. You will reach the maximum numb effect within 20 to 25 minutes, and the pain relief will last 1 to 2 hours. No prescription is needed. Numb Master also reduces pain during tattoo removal, waxing, or other cosmetic procedures.